All right, let's do this. Today, we're going to write your very first Python program. I know, it might sound a little complicated, but I promise, in the next few minutes, you're going to go from zero to actually running your own code. Let's get started.
So let me ask you this. Are you ready to tell a computer exactly what you want it to do? Because, that's really all programming is. It's just giving instructions, and you're about to do it for the very first time.
Okay, first up, Section 1, your first program. This is all about setting the stage for your big moment.
I want you to just let this sink in for a second. Right now, in these next few minutes, you are going to become a programmer. Seriously, you are about to write instructions that a machine will follow perfectly. It's a pretty powerful feeling.
So how does it work? Let's jump into Section 2, Writing the Code. This is where we learn the simple instructions, kind of like the magic words that'll get your computer to listen.
Okay, first things first. All you need to do is open a totally blank file. Like in Notepad or any simple text editor. The really important part is how you save it. You got to save that empty file with this exact name, lesson1.py. That .py at the end, that's the secret sauce. It tells the computer, hey, this is a Python file.
Now, inside that file you just made, I want you to copy and paste this text exactly as you see it here. And listen, don't worry about what it all means just yet. Just focus on getting it into your file line for line.
So what did you just put in there? Well, that first line with the hashtag, that's a special instruction we can totally ignore for now. The real action, the part that you're in control of, is that print command. That's where the magic happens.
With our code all written, we're ready for the payoff. Section 3, bringing it to life. Let's run this thing and see our instructions in action.
Okay, here's how to make it go. You'll need to open your computer's terminal, or it's called Command Prompt on Windows. Find the folder where you saved your file, and then type in one of these commands. Use the one on the left for systems like Ubuntu or a Mac, and the one on the right if you're on Windows. Go ahead, type it in, and press Enter.
And boom, look at that. If everything went right, these exact words should have just appeared on your screen. You did it. You commanded the computer to print those lines, and it obeyed. That is programming.
So, why did that work? It's not magic, I promise. This brings us to Section 4, the 3 simple rules. You see, understanding the why is what turns this from a cool trick into a real skill.
And here's the best part. For everything you just did, there are only 3 simple rules you need to know. Just 3.
So here they are. Rule number 1, any text you want to show has to be inside quotation marks. See? Easy. Rule 2, Python reads your file just like you would, from the top line down to the bottom. And Rule 3, each print command tells the computer to start a brand new line. That's it.
All right, now for what I think is the most important part. Section 5, make it your own. This is where you really take control.
This is where the real fun starts. I mean, it's not just about copying my code. It's about making your own. Let's change those words.
Go on back to your lesson1.py file. I want you to change the text inside those quotes to anything you want. Introduce yourself. Say what you're learning today. Go ahead, put your own name in there. Then save the file and run it again with that same command from before.
And just like that, you gave the computer a completely new set of instructions, and it followed them perfectly. You didn't just copy code this time, you modified it. You made it your own. You are now officially a programmer.
You have the power to create something from nothing but a few words. So the only question left is, what will you make it say next?